Hi everybody from TechnoLost and welcome to the unboxing of the Sony Xperia Z. Well, first of all I would like to thank our friend at Global World Mobile for this Xperia Z we have for our test. Well, this is our friend from Global World Mobile sells the European version. This is the German version to be precise, and we have several surprises inside, so the package may vary if you buy somewhere else and some other region package. So let's see what we have here. Well, we have the Sony Xperia Z. We see this is the white version. It's very elegant. It's very nice indeed. Let's put it apart for a second and see what we have inside the package. This is the first surprise. We have the plastic film both for the front side and the back side. I do remind you that the Xperia Z already have a plastic film on the front side. Then let's see what else we have here. This is the second surprise. We have the dock here for the Xperia Z. This is really interesting. Then we have, what else? This is the power plug. Then we have, these are a pair of in-ear headphones that seem to be really interesting headphones. They remind me of a very expensive model from Sony. Then we have here this micro USB to USB cable. And we have two pairs of earbuds replacement. Here we have three NFC tags and some, manual and warranty pamphlet and the stuff. So let's put the package aside and let's give a look to the Sony Xperia Z. Well, this is really a gorgeous device, let me tell you. We have a unibody design. This is a glass unibody, so no service replaceable battery. We have a very big display. This is a 5 inches display. It's a full HD resolution. The sides of this Sony Xperia Z are 139 millimeters for 71 millimeters, and it's just 7.9 millimeter thick, so it's really thin device. As I told you, this is a unibody glass design, and we have as well as for the Xperia V some IP certification. We have the IP 55 and 57, which means that we can put this Xperia Z underwater up to 1 meter depth and keep it underwater for 30 minutes, up to 30 minutes, and it can resist against sand and dust and all this stuff. So it should be a very durable device. Durable if you consider that we have a Dragon Trail glass on the front and we have a Gorilla Glass 2 on the back. The side of the device is made of a very special glass fiber, which is polyamide fiber. This is such a durable glass fiber that it's used nowadays in cars as a substitute to metal for some part of the cars itself. So it should be really a durable material. Let's see if it can keep up with the expectation. So let's see the main characteristics of this device. We have on the front, we have the front-facing camera, which is Eximor R sensor. It's a 2 megapixel sensor capable of recording 1080p videos. We have here the proximity sensor, brightness sensor, and a small notification LED. We have the huge 5 inches display. It's a full HD resolution with a pixel density of 443 ppi, which is very high pixel density if you consider that the retina display of the iPhone has just 326 pixels per inch. What else? The display does use some new technology like the optic contrast, which does reduce the space between the glass and the panel itself, which means that we should have better contrast and less reflection. Then we have, of course, Bravia Engine 2.0, but as you will see in the focus, we just can use it with the Sony Gallery and the Sony video player. Then on the left side we have the connector for the dedicated dock you saw into the package. Here we have this plastic lid, and we have behind this plastic lid we have the micro SD card slot. Really interesting. The device has 16 GB of internal storage, expandable up to another 64 GB via micro SD card slot. We have, as you can see, this rubber seal. This is needed for the IP55 and 57 certification. On the upper side we have the headphone jack. We have here the plastic lid as well and the rubber seal. On the on the right side we have this power button with this, it's aluminum, so it's very nice feeling. We have the volume rocker here. Behind this other plastic lid we have the micro SD card slot, micro SIM slot, sorry. This is the speaker grill. On the lower side we don't have nothing here, just plain side. On the back we have the 30 megapixel Eximor RS sensor, which is the latest sensor made by Sony, capable of recording HDR video too, as well as HDR photo of course, and we can even have a very good burst shot at 10 frames per second at 9 megapixel. We have the flashlight. The aperture size of the camera is f2.4, so not that bad if you consider the iPhone as 2.4, the Galaxy S3 as 2.6 and the HTC One X Plus as 2.0. The hole here is for the noise suppression microphone. We have this remind us that we have NFC, and this is where the NFC antenna is. And so this is the main description for the hardware part of the device. Let's see some other technical specs. In the meanwhile, let me start the device. We have a very well-known CPU, which is the Qualcomm APQ8064, which is already used on the Nexus 4, for instance, as well as on the Padfone 2. We have the CPU, of course, is a Snapdragon S4 Pro family, clocked at 1.5 GHz, and it's quad-core CPU with a production service of 28 nanometers. We have the GPU, which is the Adreno 320, so well-known GPU too, very capable. We have 2 GB of RAM, and we have 16 GB of internal storage. As you can see, it's an expandable internal storage via micro SD card slot. Then what else? Sorry, here we go. Then we have, of course, the display, which is a Full HD, 443 ppi. Yes, optic contrast and Bravia Engine 2. The back camera is 30 megapixel, front side is 2 megapixel. We have very good connectivity set. We have LTE, so we can download up to 100 megabits per second, and we can upload up to 50 megabits per second. This device is LTE 4-band. We have even the HSPA connectivity up to 42 megabits per second in download speed and 5.8 megabit in upload speed. We have Bluetooth 4.0, NFC, Wi-Fi, but I'm not sure, maybe it's just single band. I will check it out. We have Miracast, then we can stream the display directly via Wi-Fi with a Miracast capable device. We have anyway MHL output, so we have HDMI output via the MHL connector. We have GPS, both AGPS and ground, so we have both standards, and we have the RDS radio. As well as we have all the usual sensor of an Android device, which are the proximity gyroscope, accelerometer, compass, and brightness sensor. The battery inside is 2330 mAh. The version of the operating system is Android 4.1.1, but Sony will update this device to Android 4.2 as soon as possible in the next month, as directly stated from Sony itself. So, for what concerns the unboxing of this beautiful Sony Xperia Z, that's all. Just stay tuned on the next days for the dedicated focus on this very nice device. So for what concerns this unboxing, that's all. Once more, thanks for watching and bye from TechnoLost.